Polygon Matic is set to explode. Yes, we could see this dump all the way back down to the 50-cent level, but at the moment we can see, yes, we are forming higher lows, and that is extremely bullish, and we're also breaking this downward sloping trend. So if we're going to break out from this trend and break this major resistance, we could see a pump all the way up to our first price target. Yes, this would be a 50% move. But if you want to find out the next move for Matic, then make sure to watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe, and most importantly activate the bell so that you always stay up to date. And we're going to start directly on the daily chart, and as we can see, yes, we're breaking this downward sloping trend, so we could expect a major pump all the way to the $1 level for Polygon Matic, because yes, clearly we can see this is the major level where we got this major dump towards the downside, so this would be our first price target. But let's go on the weekly chart to find out where are all the price targets for Polygon Matic. First, we're going to look at the previous all-time high of Polygon Matic, and that is round about the $2.90 level. And then we saw this bear market and this dump all the way back down, and we perfectly found our bottom, and then we saw this push even higher, coming all the way up to the $1.50 level, where Bitcoin was still going sideways. But then we got this major crackdown from the SEC and the Bitcoin dominance going up, and we can see that Polygon came all the way back down to the 50-cent level. So like I mentioned, the first price target would be, yes, the $1 level, but afterwards we could expect that we are going to see this push even higher into this major resistance. And I really do believe that Polygon Matic is going to be a strong supporter of the layer 2 solutions against Ethereum because of the high cost, and Polygon Matic is just so easy to use and also very price efficient. So yes, the second price target would be all the way at the $1.50, and the third price target, yes, is going to be the previous all-time high. But let's look at the percentages that we could make if we're going to buy Polygon Matic exactly in these areas. And first of all, we're going to take the measured move from the local price all the way up to the first price target, which is round about the $1 level, and this would be a 57% gain all the way to these levels. But yes, we're going to take the percentage all the way from the current price all the way to the second price target of $1.50, and this would be a pump of 139%. But lastly, we're going to look at the previous all-time high from the current price all the way up to the previous all-time high. This would be a 328% move all the way to the previous all-time high. But let's find out, why is Polygon Matic so important, and why could we see this massive pump breaking this very important resistance and coming all the way back up into these major levels? And yes, this would be an easy 3x all the way to the all-time high. So let's go over to the news. Polygon 2.0 wants to provide unified liquidity across all Ethereum scaling networks. Polygon Labs seeks to reinvest its architecture and become the value layer of the internet. With Polygon 2.0, Polygon 2.0 will feature a different architecture and shared bridges to improve cross-chain interoperability and eliminate the need of wrapped tokens. And these news are just going to be major. Yes, because the Ethereum network has so high fees, and by using Polygon 2.0 you can eliminate all these high fees but still use all of the apps and decentralized exchanges that run on the Ethereum scaling network. So this is just a major news, and this could pump the price of Polygon Matic even higher. But guys, if you want to trade all of these moves, make sure to go down in my free Telegram group. Yes, there you get all the links to the fair trade copy trading, where you can copy all of my trades. And as you can see, I opened these trades on Polygon Matic, and yes, we're in some great profits, and also Bitcoin. So yes, if you want to copy all of my trades, make sure to go down in the video description below and sign up to my free Telegram group, where you receive all the links to Fairdesk, where you also receive a major deposit bonus of $100,000. But let's go back over to the charts. So yes, these are going to be our very important take profits: the $1 level, the $1.50 level for Polygon Matic, and also the previous all-time high at $2.90. But yes, you can also buy Polygon Matic on the spot market and trade it on the spot market. You don't have to trade it on the leverage market. But let's go back on the 4-hour chart to find out what we could expect in the immediate short term. And yes guys, as you can see, Polygon is at the moment forming the symmetrical triangle, and we're trying to break out exactly in these regions. So our first price target from this breakout from the symmetrical triangle, all the way from the top all the way to the bottom of this trend line, and we're going to drag this potential breakout target all the way to the potential breakout. And yes, we could see that Polygon would come all the way up into this major resistance where we saw this strong dump towards the downside. So yes, in the immediate short term, these are going to be our price targets. First this major resistance and then this 50% mark all the way at the psychological $1 level. So yes guys, if you want to buy Polygon Matic at the moment, this would be a major investment because I really do believe we're going to get this major pump all the way to the $1 level, the psychological $1 level. But the ultimate price target is going to be, yes, this major resistance after we saw this dump towards the downside. So yes, this would be an easy 139% move if you're going to buy Polygon Matic on the spot market. Because yes, if we look at the Bitcoin dominance, then we can see, yes, we came all the way up to the 52%, but at the moment we're seeing that the dominance is going down. So this means that yes, Bitcoin is flowing into the altcoins and we could expect a pump for the altcoins. Yes, maybe we're going to come all the way back down to the 49% level, but this move alone would mean that yes, some of the altcoins are going to see a major pump towards the upside, and I really do believe that Polygon Matic is going to come all the way back into these regions where we're going to see that the dominance is going to go even lower. So these are my bullish takes on Polygon Matic in the immediate short term. So yes, if you want to find out more, make sure to follow me, smash up the like button and subscribe, and make sure to be for crypto. And we see each other in the next video.